Guys, look what happened. I ordered some cake containers yesterday. They said it would be here today. Guaranteed delivery today. Well, come today. Then I switched the day up to the 17th. And y'all know I have 3 cakes I had to get done. Okay, 3 cakes. And I have not even started, guys. But in case you're in a situation and your cake containers don't come, I always tell you little situations that happen to me that may if anything like that happened to you, that you may be able to apply it, maybe allegedly. But here, listen to you guys. So, the backup plan was Publix. Publix. Okay, the ones that I ordered was I think it was $17 each. $17 each. That was on the most inexpensive side. But look at these. This was I think $1.50. $1.50 each. $1.50 each. Cake containers, very big size, very nice and sturdy, for $1.50 at who? My favorite store, Publix. Y'all know it's my store. Thank you. I just want y'all to have some information just in case you get stuck one day and you need a container. Okay, I hope that helps somebody. I love you guys. Bye.